Welcome to Ride Review, your go-to channel for in-depth motorcycle insights. Today we're diving into the breathtaking 2025 Ducati Streetfighter V4, a bike that pushes the limits of performance, technology, and style in the naked bike segment. Let's see what makes this beast a standout contender for the best naked bikes out there. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2025 Streetfighter V4 is the updated 1103 SCC Desi Mozili Stradale V4 engine, now delivering an astonishing 3 bikes 7-ton V-car and poor engine. This machine offers mind-blowing acceleration paired with Ducati's signature roar. Advanced electronics including revised riding modes and wheelie control ensure that you can harness this raw power both on the streets and the track. Cutting-edge technology. The 2025 model comes equipped with state-of-the-art tech upgrades. The all-new 6.5-inch TFT display provides customizable interfaces, seamless smartphone connectivity, and real-time navigation support. Ducati's updated electronics suite features cornering ABS, traction control, and a refined quick shifter for buttery smooth gear changes. The addition of radar-assisted adaptive cruise control sets a new standard for safety in the naked bike category. Design and ergonomics. True to Ducati's ethos, the 2025 Streetfighter V4 exudes Italian elegance with aggressive aerodynamic lines. Red-designed winglets enhance high-speed stability while maintaining the bike's naked appeal. A slightly revised seat and handlebar geometry offer improved comfort for both city commuting and spirited riding. Its striking color options and premium materials scream exclusivity. Suspension and handling. Ducati has refined the suspension setup with upgraded Öhlins Smart EC 3.0 components, ensuring superior ride quality and razor-sharp handling. Whether carving mountain roads or attacking track corners, the Streetfighter V4 remains planted and predictable. Lightweight forged wheels and Brembo Stylema calipers further enhance its agility and stopping power. Conclusion. The 2025 Ducati Streetfighter V4 is not just a motorcycle, it's an experience. With unmatched performance, cutting-edge tech, and jaw-dropping aesthetics, it redefines what a naked bike can be. Whether you're a seasoned rider or an enthusiast dreaming of your next upgrade, this machine deserves a spot on your wish list. Thanks for tuning in to Ride Review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the world's most exciting motorcycles. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.